Since she was 15 years old, she's been having tumors on the right side of her ear grow, and she's been having surgeries.
On her right side of her ear, you said?
Yes. And she's been having surgeries to get them removed, and they always come back. And so she came here tonight, and she couldn't even hear in her right ear. And the doctor, she just had a previous surgery, and the doctor said this upcoming week that they were going to try to do something to get her hearing back. And she was sitting in the service, and her hearing is totally restored. There's no more pain. She's completely healed.
So your ear just popped open.
So pretty much, yes, I've always had pain, and I just got so used to the pain because I've just lived with this since I was 15. And as you were praying, and, just saying, like, just give it all, I was crying about other things, and then you mentioned hearing or anything with the ear, and that's when I was like, okay, God, like, just heal me. If I'm being honest, I wasn't 100% believer. I'm a Christian and everything, but I wasn't a 100% believer in miracles like that. So I just surrendered, and as you kept praying, I just felt, I first started with the swollenness in the back of my ear. I just started feeling it go away, and then eventually...
A cold wave, you said?
Sorry, no. I started feeling it go away.
Yeah, you felt it go away.
Yeah, and then, like, just the pain I felt, it just went away. And I asked her, I was like, can you speak into my ear? And I heard clearly.
Come on, give the Lord a mighty hand. Isn't that wonderful?